Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to start workout on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once to see the watch face. On the app menu, locate the workout icon, which is a man that looks like running. Once you click on that, then hang on, then you should see all workout. There is indoor cycle, outdoor walk, outdoor run, outdoor cycle, pool swim. Then there is open water swim, there is multi-sport, and then the rest of them. Now go ahead, select the workout you want to start, and then click on it. Then you should see this countdown. After the countdown, then you should see your workout start. You see that? So you can just use this crown to rotate to see your heart rate, your average, the kilometer you covered, your move, your exercise, and then the rest of them. And then you're good. So that is exactly how to start workout on Apple Watch. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.